Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a clean draft. Open your document and remove copied prompts, template placeholders, and track changes. Make sure to accept or clear revisions so hidden text doesn't inflate similarity. Convert to the required format like docx or PDF and save under a new descriptive file name. Once done, run a local plagiarism check or use a draft Turnitin upload if allowed. This first check shows where verbatim overlaps exist, so you can focus edits efficiently. Now tackle the core revisions. For each highlighted match, rewrite sentences to show your analysis and voice rather than swapping synonyms. You should explain why the source matters, not just what it says, because Turnitin flags similarity, not intent. Where exact wording is essential, keep short quotations and add precise citations. Also verify every in-text citation appears in the reference list so Turnitin attributes matches correctly. Consistency reduces false positives and clarifies academic integrity. Finally, resubmit the revised file and review the updated similarity report side by side with the original to confirm reductions in match text. If you still see unexpected high percentages, check for long quotations, repeated boilerplate, or missing references that can be excluded or shortened. Make sure institutional repository exclusions are applied where appropriate. If problems persist, document examples and contact your instructor or Turnitin support for manual review. They can explain matches and advise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.